It's a happy day, it's a happy night. Welcome to my channel, please subscribe. I'm cooking pancit with chicken. At first, I boiled the chicken so that I can get the broth. That's a broth. I already add some vegetables there, and then I saute, brown the chicken and saute the vegetables so that after my errands I will just continue cooking it. So I will cook pancit bihon, and I will add uh, canton noodles and pancit bihon. That's what I will be cooking to share to the church, and we will celebrate also our 37th wedding anniversary there. On the way to church, we need to pick up our cake. I made to order cake. I'm trying to boil it now so that I can add the noodles, the canton and the bihon to this broth. So this must be good. Will be delicious. It's a rainy day, so I think this is good instead of spaghetti. Ron requested me to cook pancit, so that's what I'm cooking here, pancit. Before I left going to my errands, I already prepare everything so that I'll just add the noodles when I come back. I will add this chop suey and pancit canton seasoning. I will add it to the broth here. When it's boiling, I need to wait for it to boil. Kumukulo na. Lalagay na natin yung chop suey pancit canton mix para masarap. Nilagay ko po yung isang pakete. Binuo ko na. Kasi nilagyan ko na ng patis at saka toyo yung kanina. Kaya isa lang lalagay ko para hindi umalat. Kaya naman lalagay na natin yung ating sotanghon. You already add the sotanghon, and now I will add the bihon. Pancit bihon with sotanghon. There you are already cooked. My pancit canton with bihon. Luto na siya. I will just add the toppings, the chicken and the vegetables, and I need to put it in this big tray. We need to share it to our dinner tonight, church dinner, Pillar Ministry in Silver Spring, Maryland. Ayan na po ang ating pancit canton and bihon na pinagsama ko with chicken and chicken broth. Ayan po. Dadali namin niya sa church, pati yung cake na in-order ko. Kaya God bless us all. Let's enjoy. Thank you. You're so very kind to us. Thank you.